Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy cucumber and pea salad that has only 4 ingredients, and I've written the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make this simple salad. So click through for that, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this salad a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. Start by popping 3 cups of peas into a bowl. I'm using a saucepan just because I feel it's easier to do. The first cup, second cup, and third cup of peas. Now we're not going to be cooking the peas, we're just going to pour some boiling water over from a kettle. That's why I like doing it in a saucepan. I feel it's nice and safe. So I'm just going to pour recently boiled kettle water to cover the peas. So I've got the peas covered in that boiling water, trying to stay back from the steam. Now instead of cooking it, I'm just going to let that boiling water thaw all the peas out so that they're at room temperature, and I'm going to give that about 10 minutes and then we'll move to the next step. It's now 10 minutes later, the peas have thawed. I'm going to rinse, drain them and pop them into a salad dish. I'm using this salad dish. It's a square dish with all lemons on the side. I thought it'd be a fun one to pop the salad into. And I've got all my peas here that have been washed and rinsed and cooled and filled the dish with them. And now it's just a matter of adding on the other 3 ingredients. First, cucumber. I've got a whole lot of cucumber I'm just going to fill the dish with. That's totally full of cucumber. We're just going to kind of toss the cucumber through the peas, or the peas through the cucumber, so they're a little bit more combined together. And for the dressing, we're going to go for 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Just drizzle that over, and then we'll just give everything a final toss through to just mix all those flavors together. You could add as well some feta or some parmesan. You could add some mint leaves, some chopped chives, salt, pepper, any other seasoning you like to taste. I'll pop it all down in the blog post down below for you, so be sure to click through for that. But that is how to make my really easy 4 ingredient cucumber and pea salad that is super flavorful, a real hit with the family. Just such a simple salad that is so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this lovely flavorful cucumber and pea salad a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.